left the apartment yet, but dogs are packed in. Hour 40 minutes away. So start off my trip. Hopefully the weather's nice. Didn't really get to see it much because of the. Now we know. Our trip really. There's a couple detours I've got. Foggy and rainy and a hole that we can see. What's this? They're curious. You're curious. Check it out anyway. Sure, it's closed for the season. Parking. Here. Battery. I think the Rangers cars than anybody else, so they probably have a lot of stuff. Good product. Nice. Sequin? Sosagi. Yeah, rentals there. I don't know how much they are, but nothing I can do about it. Just sit inside. It wasn't my first choice, but there was no parking at the other. We're just gonna chill out. Watch a movie. All right, good night.